Well, I started putting a couple components on just for a test fit. I got that vent cover loosely screwed in. I'm making sure all the holes line up. And you'll be so proud of me. That screw, those two clips are all original. I never sandblasted them or clear coat them or anything. Those are the way they were when I took them off. You'll be so proud of me. Those are temporary ones, those shiny ones over there, just to kind of hold things in place. I did discover one thing. I'll show you that in a second here. Okay, this little rubber piece here goes around the steering column. The holes line up perfectly into the new cover, but only one or two of them actually line up with the holes in the firewall. So I'm not sure about what's going on there, but it looks like the center section that's cut out is centered perfectly and everything else looks good. So I don't know if they just used self-tapping screws and just jammed them in there and they weren't in there correctly or what. So we'll have to take a little closer look at that. But other than that, I'm pleased with how it fits. There's quite a bit of stuff I can start putting on this from the engine side and the inside. So that's cool. At least it's a start.